Okay, so here we have everything taped up. We've gone through, we've done our drilling, we've done our inletting, we've sliced off the sides of this vehicle for the purpose of this tutorial. I just took off these two sides here. Yes, I could have cut these off and thrown it away because I don't need it. And these were to indicate the inletting, so I'm not going to cut those out. Now it's time to use the scroll saw to make our side cuts. Super easy peasy. If you want, you can take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove this guard. Not hard. Insert your Phillips head screwdriver, turn, use your hand to hold everything in place, and just leave it all assembled like this. Set it off to the side. Remember, don't lose any of this little stuff. Okay, I don't want you to lose any of that. I need all those little washers and rings and whatnot. Maybe you're going to set them over here on the side. Next, make sure that you have your air line on. If your light works, turn it on, and you're going to have just enough clearance to slide this under. Now, the next shot you're going to see is I'm going to be cutting all of this off. And at the same time, I'll be cutting through this tape, and you're going to see the body of the car emerge.